Dismissal to Block 1. Students will be dismissed to their lockers at 7:25 a.m. Students should head to their lockers, put away their backpacks, lunchboxes, coats, and other items, and arrive at their Block 1 class by 7:35 a.m. Reminder, your cell phone should be turned off and left in your lockers. Students who arrive to school after 7:35 a.m. will need to stop in the office to sign in. Excessive tardies to school will result in a detention. The only students who should be in the hallways before 7:25 a.m. are 6th graders headed to their common area, students who have had a pass from a teacher. Students who are found in the hallway without permission will have a hall conduct card signed.